Hello everyone. Tax is not being calculated while creating purchase order or any other document. So what can be the reason? Let's check it out. I'm creating a document here. I'm selecting an item. I'm adding a quantity. Price is added. Now I'm selecting the tax. Suppose 12%. I have selected tax, but as you see, it has not calculated any tax. So what can be the reason? Let's check it out. I'm scrolling up. If you see, under supplier details, the address is missing. Here, you need to add the billing address. You need to go to the buyer supplier module. I'm opening it in new tab. This is my company. Click on edit icon. As you can see, there is no delivery location or billing address. I'll also add the delivery location. I have added the details. Now click on save. My delivery location is also added. Now I'm going back to create the PO. Refresh the page. Now here, as you can see, the supplier's address has been updated. Enter the relevant details. Now here I'm adding the item. I'm adding the tax. It is still not calculating. So there can be another reason why tax is not being calculated. For that, go to the settings module. I'm opening it in another tab. Go to accounts. Click on tax options. As you can see, 5% is not selected here. Rest all the tax options are turned on. So there is a possibility that the item which I have selected in my document has this 5% as a default tax. I'll try that. I'll turn it on. Now I'll go to inventory. I'll search the item. As you can see, the default tax here is 5%. As I have turned 5% on, I'll check if I'm able to create my PO and is the tax calculated. Go back to create PO. Now refresh the page. I'm entering the relevant details. I'm adding that item. As you can see, the default tax was 5%. I'm adding the quantity. As you can see, it is now calculating the tax. If you change the tax rate, the tax amount is also changed. So I was getting this error because if you have set any default tax, it should be turned on in your settings module. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.